Hi guys, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this holographic turquoise mosaic. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Before I get started with my base coat or anything else, I'm going to go ahead and get the tape ready. What I decided to do is to use a mostly used up nail vinyl sheet because it's this kind of waxy texture, and I'm basically going to cut out some pieces of tape, apply them on here, and then cut them into little triangle shapes carefully, keyword carefully, with the exacto blade. There are some other ways you could definitely do this, but I found that using the scissors to try and cut them off one at a time was way too slow, and this turned out to be way easier, I think. You do want to be careful that you have something underneath to protect your work area. I'm just using a little pad of paper. Starting off with clean dry nails, I'm going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Ready for Takeoff, which is a peel-off base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. For the design I'm doing today, I'm actually going to be using this turquoise holographic tape, and for my base color, I'm going to be using Finger Paint's Black Expressionism. Okay, so I have my base color applied. I have my tape that I've attempted to cut up into little triangles, and I have a pair of pointy tweezers. And hopefully most of these will be fully cut apart. I have, a pair of scissors handy if I need it. But basically, I'm going to pick them up. I'm going to try and just keep a very light grip on the sticker because I want to place it on my nail. So just try to grab it by the very tip, and I'm going to start with my ring finger. This may turn out to be an accent manicure, we'll see. And just lay it on there and stick it down. It's tape, so it is of course sticky on its own, and I'm just going to piece the next triangles in there as best I can to kind of create a mosaic. once you've placed all the triangles, just make sure to go back and press to make sure any edges or corners are as flat as you can get them. Then I'm going to go in with top coat, and today I'm actually using Sèche Vive. I don't generally find a whole lot of difference between Sèche Vive and Sèche Vite, but it is supposed to have a slightly more gel effect, so I thought this would be a good time to use it. Once I finish that, I'm going to go ahead and file any rough edges and then give it a second coat of top coat. I used my Tropical Shine 4-way buffer just to smooth out any spots where I felt the edges of the tape coming up. In fact, there's one more little spot. And once you're done with that, you can go ahead and add a final layer of top coat. So here's the finished manicure, and I really love how this turned out. There are a few things that part of me wants to nitpick, like that the borders between the mosaic pieces aren't all even, but when it comes right down to it, this turned out pretty freaking phenomenal. This tape that I'm using is just a Scotch metallic tape, and it comes in a lot of other colors. I have 2 others myself, so you may see some more tape designs coming in the future. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this one down in the comments. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.